Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
As ALUA completes its 30 illustrious years, it is a pleasure to give back to the society for the faith bestowed in us for all these years. We at ALUA VERNA will organize the People's Market for the first time and will host local artisans and small businesses from Goa. The event will be held on the 14th and 15th of May, that is a Saturday and Sunday from 5 p.m. onwards. We are providing opportunities to newly formed startups at this market by offering them free stalls for their exposure as a brand. We appeal to all entrepreneurs, those who have started less than a year back, to send their profiles in, and other brands can purchase a stall at a fee. The People's Market will be an opportunity for the guests to explore, learn about our new vendors, products and small businesses. There will be live music, fun games to make this a complete family entertainment.
Registration is, there is Google form link which people can check on our Instagram handle ALUA VERNA. So they can just go there and register, and from there we'll be selecting 20 stalls for free space, and the remaining can purchase it at a nominal fee.